what did I got from McDonald's today? So this was supposed to be a Big Mac, as you can see on the package here. They try to give me a chicken burger, and let's look what it looks like, and then we'll taste it. What does that look like? Like chicken, right? That's what they did. I said, give me a regular Big Mac. They didn't do that. So now I have to settle for this. It's not a bad sandwich, but let's see down low what they tried to do. And they tried, but it didn't work. I'm frustrated. But I'm not going to take it back and get a Big Mac. I'm just going to go ahead and eat it. See what it tastes like. And of course, got some lemonade. So first, bun. Pretty good. Of course, this is the McChicken, so give me this floppy chicken. Some pickles on the bottom. Looks good. Okay, and of course I already showed you earlier another patty like that below. So I'm gonna flip that. Let's grab it out. Bite, take a look at it. You get the first bite, I get the second. Juicy, tasty. Try my lemonade. But this is not a bad sandwich. They kind of invented this one for me. Look at that. Not looking at me. Taking out a bite. I would say no. Get yourself a Big Mac or just get a chicken sandwich. So that would be my suggestion if they don't have the chicken sandwich there. The honest review of this, it's not bad at all. I would have wanted the chicken. I'm gonna try another restaurant somewhere down the line, but it's not bad. The lettuce, I would have wanted tomatoes on there. I should have just requested tomatoes. There's pickles on it. It's dropping apart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All that mess on my finger. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out more of my videos. I'll check you on the next one.